baby. It's the McLaren, Lambo, Ferrari, and another Lambo for the rest of the back. The rivalry is real. Ooh, this pista's nice. What do you guys think? Nice pista, man. Nice pista. From depth. What? Yo. Gallardo in the building. Dude, that's tough, bro. Wow, it's going nuts out here, guys. You see them doors up, right? That's crazy. I want you guys to tell me which one's your favorite in your opinion. This is not about me. Let's remember that. It's about y'all. So we got this right here, the Lambo. And we got the Ferrari, another Lambo, and then we have McLaren, then the i8, and then we have another McLaren. Yes, it's tough, bro. It's crazy, bro. Whew.